We can turn this on. Finally, makes a little sound, and there you can see the screen. And you can zoom in on things. The zoom is really fast, but only in record pause, unfortunately. If you're in record mode, it will be like this fast, probably, like this, around there, which is a bit disappointing, because I like this super fast zoom. Right up there you can see I have 1 minute remaining on the SD card and 155 minutes battery life. Probably see it better like this. Have the digital image stabilizer turned on. It's unfortunately just a digital one. Yeah, my Panasonic camcorder has an optical image stabilizer and also a lot more zoom. This has, well, it says 45 times advanced zoom, but that's basically a digital zoom, which is a bit stupid. With real zoom, well, it doesn't say on the lens. I think it has like 37 times optical zoom. Yeah, and there you can hear that quick start thing. You just close it and open it back up. I have it set, it is a widescreen camcorder, but I have it set for the usual thing, because in our house we don't have any widescreen televisions or anything like that, so no widescreen. There it says we are in camera mode, in the SP mode, and right there you can see a little level meter there that shows you how loud you go there. And this is useful for using external microphones. It does not have a manual level control, but at least you can see if you're totally overdriving the audio or not. So you get a level meter, but you don't have any influence on the level. We can go on into the photo mode, photo record. And when I got this camcorder, it was set in the photo mode, and I was just shocked because I thought, oh my gosh, what's that for a quality? Because the frames per second rate in the photo record mode is very low. So if I go there, you can see it's just very, very skippy and crappy. And I thought, how can they call that a good camcorder? See, zooms in pretty quick there again. And there you can see 225 photos are remaining. And if I now go into video playback, you can see one video that we shot yesterday on my birthday party.
Cut off. Yeah.
Oh yes. It has all sorts of cool features hidden in the menus. But before I tell you about that, photo playback. Haven't made any photos yet. Let's do that. Let's see. Just a quick photo there. Come on. Ah. There it goes. And photo playback, there you can see it. Very nice. Now, the menu, I will just quickly access the menu. This camcorder does have a lot of things that you won't find on my Panasonic camcorder, such as those, has a lot of digital effects, the usual fade in, fade out. It took me quite a while to find that on my Panasonic camcorder because it's all hidden away in the menu. Also has this sort of thing for fading, really nice. And then we get into the effects. This is black and white, sepia. This is art. You can't really see it on this camcorder, but you can probably see it. It makes things look weird. And there you get this mosaic thing. record mode, and there is the actual menu. And yeah, there it says 37 times optical zoom. And even say the zoom speed, I have it on variable, and can go on. It says there's the setting for the little level meter on the screen. And battery info, let's see battery info, there you can see it. I have almost 100% of battery life remaining, 150 minutes now. And let's go on, there's the time setting and return. And so there you go. One thing I can do, one last thing before I go, is to turn on the video light. There it is. It's incredibly bright. I already told you it's really bright. And now this camcorder has a much better low light performance than my Panasonic camcorder. A much better low light performance. They are having the same size image sensor. They have a 1/6 inch CCD image sensor. So of course, well, this one has a better low light sensitivity, but in low light it has a lot more hiss than the Panasonic. The Panasonic, to prevent that hiss, they just make the picture kind of blurry, and so it looks really dark. So even though it has a lot of hiss on this one, I prefer this one. And the built-in video light is really bright. It's enough to shoot even in almost complete darkness. With the video light you can see what's going on, and that's really nice. There you go. The Canon model FS100 camcorder, SD card camcorder from 2008. Really nice camcorder, and I'm really happy that I got this off eBay for such a good deal, and I got such a good deal. So now I finally have a microphone jack, video light, good low light sensitivity, and a remote control, and all that stuff that I don't have on my other Panasonic camcorder. Of course I'm going to miss the optical image stabilizer, because the electronical, the digital one on this one isn't any good. It's, well. However, there you go. The Canon FS100 camcorder. I hope you enjoyed this video.